晚上好, good evening everyone. This is the first session again, a new class now. Okay. So it's all your real name, Tema. Like it's Anna Rose Clarice Jones. How do you pronounce it? Eponym?
Eponym.
Eponym. Okay, sorry. So Jean, and Jean is from the word Genevieve, no? Then Lauren and Yanni. Tema. Okay, Auta. So I have kasi 8 to 8:30 class. Kaya if you log in before 8:30, you can see the other class na it is an advanced class eh. So medyo hindi kayo makakonect agad with TechQuest because that is my advanced class. Okay? So it's the 8 to 8:30. So we can start I think mga 8:31 onwards, no? Don't worry. Pag na-late si Lausher, I can extend naman, no? How? Okay, since this is our first day, let's introduce ourselves muna. 介绍一下自己. I want to know about you. 可以吗? So I also want to know, is there any background or all of you are first time or a zero base? No? How? By the way, I'm Zimli. This is my daughter's name. Wait lang. Ako mag-change na rin kaya ng name. Wait lang. I'm Zimli. You can call me Li Lausher. How? Siya ha. Like, 你可以叫我李老师. Li 老师. 老师 is a teacher. Li is my surname in Chinese. Now, usually kasi in Chinese, we are using the maiden name. Maiden surname. Okay, let's start na. Anna Rose, 可以吗? Can you introduce yourself? Like telling me your name, how old are you, and what is your work, or are you studying, and why are you here? What is the reason you are here? Sisye.
Hello. Good
Hello.
evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. I'm Anna Rose Asido. I'm 18 years old from Agusan del Sur National High School. Agusan del Sur, Mindanao.
Oh, it's from Mindanao.
My level of my speaking in Chinese Mandarin is 0. My purpose of this is for my schooling in Taiwan. Thank you.
You applied the school in Taiwan?
Yes.
Is it free or not?
I have a scholar there, but first year and second year lang.
Nice din. Kasi I know in Taiwan mostly you can apply the scholar or a free education, no? It's really nice. And it's an advantage kasi if you are there, mas mapupush through mo yan, no? It's nice, Hannah, to hear that.
Yes.
Okay, it's good din naman.
Thank you.
Then, to tell you, our lesson or our reference is a China version. But it's okay kasi ganun din naman ang reading part. No, the reading part is the same. It's only the character. Kasi if you can see the character, since we are learning the phonetic muna, in Taiwan kasi, their phonetic is different, no? And their character is traditional, then our character here is simplified. Kumbaga naka-shortcut. Okay?
Yes.
Then the phonetic
you.
here that we are using is this one, is the Pinyin one. As you can see, all of you can read it. Kaya niyong basahin to. Kasi in Taiwan, like yung ni nila, they are using this one mga ganito. Ganito yung phonetic nila. No, like purple nila is this one. Nakaka-character din. Okay? But if you learn this one, kaya naman i-transition. Okay. Tapos si Ana, like, eponym, 可以吗? So Anna is still studying.
Hello, I'm Eponine Espiritu. I'm 13 years old and I'm here because I want to find a new hobby. But since then, I already had interest in learning new languages.
Okay. What grade are you in now? You're so young, 13.
I'm in ninth grade though.
9th grade. Okay, I see. But for the young ones, it's easier pa nga sometimes to learn. Mabilis to catch up. But all of the same, it depends on how you make an effort din, no? Tapos sisye, efanin, dahil Jean nila,
Oh, did you say Jean?
yes, Jean.
Right, that's me. Hello.
Hello.
My full name is Generoso Melchor Jr., but you can call me Jean. I know it's kind of malayo, but that's my nickname. So I'm probably the eldest here as well. I'm 30 years old, just turned 30 last month. And I am working as
Still young.
Sorry po?
Still young naman at 30.
Oh yes, of course, still young.
Still very
Yeah, still very young. I'm currently working as a QA in an IT field, and the reason why I am studying Chinese is because I want to have this as an edge when I apply abroad, because it's
you
um
plan to apply abroad.
yeah, I plan to apply abroad, and I think this is a good stepping stone, and probably, yeah, as I mentioned, this is going to be an edge when I
Okay.
apply, and mas malaki yung salary.
I
Yeah, that's
guess.
it.
Even you are here naman, kahit na nandito ka, as a QA, I
Yeah.
think you already know how much, di ba, ang differ na
Mhm.
with us. Yes, okay.
Mhm.
Sometimes mapapaisip ka rin if you really want to apply abroad. It depends on what is the position then. Kasi sometimes you
Yeah.
can get here na. If you are
Yeah,
by
there are jobs nga that I can see online, but it's been my dream to move to Singapore and work there. So that's why I'm here trying to chase it.
okay. How the Jean? You can do it.
Thank you.
Okay, so in Singapore, yeah. In Singapore, usually using a Mandarin.
Yeah.
And the same, they are using this simplified na. Kasi
Okay.
mostly for now is they are, kaya we are parang more preferably using the China version kasi mostly in other countries they are using simplified rather than using the traditional one. So parang not as Taiwan is the main na talagang they don't change it. Okay? How? Sisye, Jean, Lai, Lauren, Nina.
Hello everyone, I am Lauren. I am 28 years old. I'm also currently working. And the reason my work right now is in the purchasing. So the reason why I am taking this course is because advancement din sa work. Yeah, I think this is something that will help me also to get a work also. Kasi meron din talaga yung mga work na they ask you if you know how to speak a different language.
Yeah,
And then,
even in purchasing all types of work, no?
yes po. And then yun din, I think I started to increase na rin kasi the interest of learning another language for communication reasons din. I think that's very helpful kasi with my experience, parang I started to meet from Chinese people. Tapos siguro interest sa minsan yung mga movies din kasi. So, yeah, there are several reasons po, pero I really started to have an interest for work mainly.
As you said, you already started to have an interest. Do you start na? As in, do you have a basic or zero base pa?
No, actually zero base pa po.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
I just want to know para I know I'm just checking assessing din.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Lauren.
Thank you.
So purchasing. A lot of purchasing din role na they are looking for. Kasi more on, to be honest, every client are in more on from Chinese part na talaga. Right? Yani nila.
Hi po.
Ni hao.
Ni hao. Good evening. My name is Mariani. I'm currently here in China and I'm working as quality control manager. So I enroll this learning of Mandarin because I really need this in my work.
Since you are in China din.
Yeah.
But you have basic na yani since you said you're already in China.
Pagdating ko po dito wala. Ano na po, 3 months na po ako dito. Meron na pong mga basic ni hao, xishe,
Oh, okay. So okay.
shui.
We'll start there, huh? We will start from zero since all of them mostly is zero base and this is your start. At saka ang maganda is I will guide you all on how to learn it. No, not totally na parang nawawala kayo if you want to self-study. But syempre, have leisure is an advantage. But maganda rin if you know how to read it. Okay? And to use it. Xie. Yani. Yani, how old are you?
I'm 36 po.
Okay. So, that's yeah. How to pronounce it? Kate?
Hello, yes? Yes, it's Kate po.
Okay.
Naririnig niyo po ako? Ay, sorry.
Yes, yes.
Okay po. Ayun po, nag-aral po ako ng Mandarin back 2019 sa TESDA. Natapos ko siya pero ang nagawa lang namin for exam is yung mock exam. Hindi siya totally yung NC1 exam. Kasi parang kailangan pa namin pumunta ng parang yung mataas na college na school to take the exam. I forgot the name po. Tapos, parang gusto kong magkaroon ulit ng refresher. And then, kasi, ano pa? Sorry?
Yung college school that you are referring?
Yes, I forgot the name, pero alam ko parang sikat na school siya. Tapos nagtuturo din ng Mandarin. Tapos dun dapat talaga yung final exam to pass the NC1. So, I wasn't able to get that po. Ayun po. Currently I work as a VA po part-time. And the reason why I decided to have a Mandarin refresher again kasi mas malaking sahod pag meron kang alam na ibang language. And then before I work as a VA po, I worked as a customer service representative for 8 years po. So, ayun lang, parang gusto ko sa bahay na lang, learn other skills, learn other language, tas ayun, mag-upgrade din yung sahod. Kaya, hopefully, matuloy-tuloy
The
ko to na.
customer service is English only, not a bilingual.
Yes, English po.
So, how's your Mandarin now?
Since 2019 and hindi ko talaga siya everyday ginagamit. I know few words like ni hao lao she like that. But then yung other words I forgot na po eh, pati yung writing.
Okay. How ta? Sige. Basta to tell you all, this is a basic. As in from
Yes po.
zero, no?
Yes.
Let me how is it na lang. Then, don't worry. Hindi madama sila. So, I will guide you, no? Bago tayo mag-end ng 10 sessions.
Alright.
Like Clarice nila,
Okay, thank you.
See, as you can see, no, after talking, after introduction, you will know you are all not the same naman, no? Ay, Clarice nila.
Hello. Good evening po.
Good evening.
I'm Clarice Balona from Legazpi, Albay. I am 33 years old po. I have a IT business po here in Legazpi. And the reason why I enrolled on this class is because my two kids are already in a Chinese school. Gusto ko silang sabayan ng Chinese. And
In
at the
Albay.
same opo, in Legazpi Hope Christian School. So, opo. So, another reason po is that may mga transactions din kasi kami sa Alibaba. So, from time to time, may mga nakakausap kaming Chinese. So, kaya gusto ko po yung Chinese language para maintindihan ko rin sila. So, yun
Mabilis
po.
din silang salita.
Opo.
It's a start. This will be your starting. No? But it's still a long run, no? Kapag ka sa mga business. So this will be parang basic and the greetings and everything. And then if you are still trying to make effort, you need to focus also with your terms na kailangan nyo. So, tama? Okay. How does siye? So I think all good na, no? It's my turn na. Okay, Lao Shi. Okay, Jin. So you're young, huh?
Yes.
I am the oldest here, not you. Okay. And then if you can see, May 36. So I am still the oldest, okay? Lao Shi is already sige nga, guess mo, Jin. How old na si Lao Shi? Wala pang ayos si Lao Shi.
You mentioned po kanina you have kids na. So probably around 40s, early 40s.
Okay. And early 40s. Yes, I'm 46 na. And then as to say, my kids is adult na sila. One is 24 and one is 22 na. Okay, how ta? So from in my end naman, just to let you know, para may background din kayo about Lao Shi. My teaching experience is 16 years or more. Kasi I'm the same as kay, sino ba to? Si Clarice yata eh. Or si Kate. Sorry, ang dami kong student na nawawala na si Lao Shi. So 2019 din is the year that I stopped teaching. Yung as a regular teachers before I started young. At 17 pa lang I am teaching na. At the second year college pa lang ako. And it is accidentally. Kasi to let you know, I am graduated computer data management. So medyo nakaka-relate din ako kila Clarice, kila Jean, no? So I don't have an eduk background. But in Chinese kasi, as long as you know how to teach, you know the language, pwede kang magturo. Okay? It's not like the English one, the English that you need to have a license to teach, no? In Chinese, as long as you know the language and the technique of teaching. So as years pass by, no, I gained the Best Teacher Awards in the Philippines, no, yung for Chinese community, yung pinaka Cebu Anonymous Best Teacher Award. So, yung pinakamalaking award na here in our country, and also got the Overseas Best Teacher Award in China, from China Ambassador. So, parang feel ko na fulfilled ko na lahat in teaching. In teaching, I also a teacher in other language center while I am teaching. Lagare, si Laosyo walang pahinga ever since. Lagare yan. I am teaching from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. Kasi may morning ako, other school, afternoon, other school, then after school, may tutoring pa ako. Because nung huli kasi single mom, so kailangan talaga lahat. And then, yun, after teaching, then I said, gusto ko naman ng isang job lang. Like Jean said, no, and Clarice said, yung mas malaking sahod naman, di ba? Kapag you are bilingual. So, parang for the 3 jobs in school, mababa kasi ang salary as a teacher, to be honest, lalo na private school. So, you can get the full salary, earn it in 1 job lang. So, yun. I resigned 2019 and nasa BPO company din ako after. So, si Jean is a QA, no? So, naranasan ko mag-QA ang aking English calls for 4 years. No, I am a technical support, but I bilingual also. Mas marami pa ang English calls kaysa Mandarin calls. No, but it is international din. No, nag-accommodate kami ng mga examination. And then, after 4 years, last year lang, I resigned because I got accident, no? Nagkaroon ako ng knee operation, I cannot be on site. And hindi rin ako pinagbigyan ng company kahit na, what you call, I'm a consistent, top agent in that company for almost, yearly naman. But nung hindi ako pinagbigyan, nag-resign ako. I'm now in 3M as a HR. So si Laosyo, maraming naging trabaho, iba-iba rin. Okay. So I'm in HR now. I'm a HR now, also a bilingual din. Handling APAC, a GCA. Okay? So, if nakikita nyo pagod si Laosyo pagdating sa oras nyo, because my time is 8 to 5 in the morning, and then kayo na, dire-diretso na from 5:15 after work, dire-diretso until now. Okay? So this is my last class. For the weekdays yun Sometimes I also have a weekend for Saturday. Okay, let's try na. So that's my story. And then as I advise, no, after you learn Chinese, yeah, it's really help kapag nanonood kayo ng movie or listening to music. Nakakatulong yun It really help. Kasi, even, especially, di ba, in YouTube, if you download a song or there's a lyrics naman You try to look at lyrics that with ping in. Take a note on this one. Ping in. Always search for a lyrics na may ping in. Kasi if you don't know how to read the character, but you can use the ping in as a tools. At yun yung ituturo ko. Siya tama? So, some of you have a background. May idea na about ping in? Mga may background? Do you have an idea na sa phonetic?
Nan po.
None pa. Okay. So, as you can see, phonetic is this one. Ang part ng you need to focus is all of it. Paano all of it? The initial, like ni, sample the ni hao. Ni hao is easy kasi parang you are reading the English one lang, di ba? Then the how, right? So, the ni, this one, n, this one is what you call initial. And then this one is final. Final is vowel. Initial is consonant. Ganun siya. Right? Like we are reading the English. No? But in our end, no, sa pinyin, we also have a final na may kasamang consonant, like the ing. Diba? Ang I lang yung vowel, and then the consonant is ng. Pero magkasama yan. They are together. They still called final. Final phonetic. So, basta start with a vowel, it is the final. And then, the initial, yun na sa harap lang, kaya siya tinawag na initial. Okay? This is the 3 points you need to perfect. The initial, the final, what is the last? Who can guess what is the last part that you need to perfect? If you are reading the phonetic. The pinyin. These are pinyin, what we call pinyin. These are the phonetic. Parang sa Taiwan, the phonetic nila yung ganun din, same lang. What is the last part that you need to perfect? Any idea?
Yung
Unmute lang.
accent.
Yes?
Yung accent.
Yes, the accent, the tones. It is what you call tones, no? As you can see, in Chinese, we have 4 tones. The first tone, second tone, third tone, and fourth tone. Since we don't have time na naman today, kasi first day talaga, usually I really ask for a introduction, no? So I will teach you on how to perfect the tones na lang muna. Para tomorrow, if I start teach you on how to read this one, at least you already perfect the tones. Okay? We will start using the A. Ganun naman, di ba? Start tayo sa A. No? So in our end, kapag kayo A, E, I, O, U, no? This is A, E, I, O, U, di ba? But in Chinese, this is A, ito ang kailangan yung tandaan. The letter E is not E, it's not E, it's Try nyo. Try to read it. It's always Kaya if you can see, this one, no? How to pronounce this one? N and E. Diba? Instead of ne, it's n. Okay? So again, ha? Then how to pronounce the letter I? E. This one is the E. O. U. Okay, kahit ito muna i-take note nyo, ha? A. E. O. U. And remember, ang letter Y natin saka letter W is the same sound with letter U and letter I. The Y and I is the same sound. The letter W is the same sound with U. So, Y is E, letter I is E, W is U, the U is U. Kaya, no? Literally, no? Typically now, we don't have the I sound, Y sounds and W sounds. Check this one. Okay. Wo, right? Wo, or one. So, one. W-E-N. It's also the U-E-N. Same siya. So, the W-O is also the U-O. Same sound sila. Okay? No? So, shutala ho. Remember this one lang muna ha. A, E, O, U. Again, Y and I, same sound. W and U, same sound. Okay? So, the Y is also E. The W is also U. Okay? Okay. So try this one, huh? This is your assignment, the 4 tones. Again, everyone. Ah, first tone. It's always going to right, yung mga sign ng hand. It's like saying to a dentist, ang first tone. And it's calm down. Kalma lang siya. Chill lang. Then the second tone, How to pronounce the second tone? The second tone is like asking a question. Para kang nagtataka. Okay? Then the third tone is longer kasi going down and going up siya. May curve siya. There's a curve. And the fourth tone is mad. Galit ka. Okay? So, how to apply it? I will teach you tomorrow. Kasi, like ni, how, you can apply the 4 tones into ni. How to apply? What is the first tone? Ni. Second tone, ni. Third tone, ni. Fourth tone, ni. Then if I ask you how to pronounce the third tone, you will give me ni. Tama? Ganun mag-review. Okay? Like, how. What is the first tone? How. Second tone, how. Third tone, how. Fourth tone, how. Give me the third tone, how. Give me the second tone, how. Give me the first tone, how. Then the fourth tone, how. No? You perfect these 4 tones muna by sunod-sunod. Yung naka-sequence muna. Then pag na-perfect mo na siya, saka ka mag-jumble. So, tama? Kasi pag na-perfect mo yung tones, it's good na. We need to perfect the tones. Kasi in Chinese, there's a lot of words. Sobrang dami. Different tones, different meaning. Minsan pa nga same character, different reading. Sometimes naman same tones, same reading, different meaning. Marami siyang ganun. Okay? Kaya you need to have the perfect tones. Kasi if your tones is not that good or it will be different meaning na. No? Sometimes hindi ka nila maintindihan or sometimes mapupunta pa sa away yan. Okay? So, tama? But kaya. We can perfect it. I have a lot of student na napa-perfect ko na ang tones. Kaya, you can do it. Okay?
Yes,
How about
Laoshe.
I will send this one and I will also send the 1 to 10. Itaoshi. You can practice your tones using this one. Okay? If you perfect the 4 tones na ha, practicing nyo muna yung 4 tones, then read this one. If you can see lahat ng tones nandito. Okay? I will read it once para hindi mali-mali yung pagbasa. Then we will send the recording and then you can try to read, hear it later. No? So, san, si, kaya sinabi kong ang W is no W sounds kasi W and U is the same. Kaya kahit magkasama sila, is still yung sounds ng U ang lamang. Liu. Qi, letter Q is qi. I will teach you tomorrow what is no air with air. Then pa, jiu, shi. Okay? Ang medyo mahirap i-pronounce yung mga JQX, ZCS. No? I will teach it tomorrow. How is it?
Okay lang po.
Kaya pa? Wala pa tayo ng
Kaya
pisa.
naman po.
Kaya,
tayo-
kaya.
Kaya yan. Okay. 好的。明天见 see you tomorrow.
谢谢老师。
谢谢，不客气。再见。晚安。
谢谢。
See you, see you.
谢谢。晚安。